Hey friends, if you encounter Valorant DirectX Runtime Error on your system, then the solution is as follows. Search for the word DirectX Runtime in Google and simply search for it. Now the first option, this Microsoft link will appear. Click on it, change the language to whatever language you want. In my case it's English, and then click on download. The DirectX option will download. Open it and click on yes as approval. Click on I accept the agreement, click on next, and let it install all the components. Once it installs the components, restart your computer, and after restarting your computer, Valorant will work as usual. I hope this was helpful. If yes, then please feel free to subscribe to our channel. Else, let us know in the comment section and we will investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.